So how to add two numbers in using script? We can use hash shebang. Okay, shebang. So next hash will not execute, guys. This command will not hash. This is a single line comment in bash. So this is a single line comment in the bash. Echo learn bash scripting. Bash scripting. Okay, equal learn bash scripting. A equal to 2, B equal to 4, hash addition addition. This is another single line comment. So how we can provide the comment in the script, guys? So hash is nothing but a single line comment. So multi-line comment, I will tell you. No worries. Okay. So C equal to dollar a plus dollar b. So dollar a plus dollar b. C equal to. Okay. So then the other single line comment echo result to console. So result to console echo dollar a plus dollar b equal to dollar c. Guys understood? So guys understood? This is nothing but a bin bash. This is a single line comment in bin bash. Equal learn bin script learn bash scripting equal to 2, b equal to 4 addition. This is another single line comment. So c equal to dollar a plus dollar b echo result to console. So result to console echo dollar a plus dollar b equal to dollar c. Guys understood?
Yeah.
Now you understood the addition,
Yeah.
right?
Right, sir.
Yeah. So what is that multi-line comment? Okay. So multi-line. So this is the single line comment you understood. So what about the multi-line comment? So multi-line comment. In the script file. So multi-line comment in the script file. So what is that? So shebang bin bash. Okay. This is a single line comment in bash. Okay. Echo learn bash scripting. What is learn bash scripting? So multi-line comment. So you can use the double less than. So double less than comment. This is a multiple line comment in bash scripting. Okay. So then you can close the comment. You can close the comment. Echo good day. Echo good day. Okay. So again you want a multi-line comment. You can use this is the multi-line comment. This is a multiple line
So two time
comment.
greater than symbol is right, right?
Yeah. Yes, yes. Is less than, I think. Greater than or less than? Greater than.
Greater.
Yeah.
Less than, na?
End of the example. Then comment. So this is nothing but a multi-line comment and single line comment in the bash. So what is that, guys? So for example, if we want to write comment in single line, then we will use what is that? So we will use the hash, right? So if we want to use comments in multiple line, then we will use the comment, less than comment and comment, right? So if you want to use comments in multiple lines, then we will use something like this is we will use this one, right? Got it here? Here, write comments here, right? Now you understood the single line comment and the multiple line comment. Understood?